So, hello, Dr. Jemima Kuching. Bakit po kayo nag-decide sumali ng Mrs. Universe?
Yung totoo, joke lang. Anyway, I just want to, of course, yung advocacy ko para malaman din ng ibang tao kasi alam ko mas malawak yung mileage if I will try this kind of prestigious event.
So, can you tell us more about your advocacy?
Well, my advocacy as a working mom actually is really to educate people because I am already 24 years of my service as a naturopathic doctor. So my advocacy really is to educate people how to become healthy and fit because I always believe that prevention is better than cure. And also, I believe that many people die not because of their sickness but because of ignorance.
You run marathons. Ano yung advice mo para tumagal sa isang marathon?
Advice ko to have more stamina is really to have a healthy diet, clean colon of course, because if your colon is clean, so with your body, mind, and soul.
So, yeah, speak of colon cleansing, because I know, di ba, may program ka, meron ka ding product. Ano yung tips mo para makaiwas ang isang tao sa colon cancer?
Number one tip talaga is sleep empty but not hungry. Yun talaga. Kasi a lot of people nowadays are sleeping with a very full stomach. So it's very bad and dangerous. So you have to clean your stomach first before going to bed.
Pag hindi po kayo busy sa pagiging doktora, dyan sa pageants and your other, di ba, athletic ventures, ano po yung hobby nyo?
Number one is, kasi I don't have katulong in the house, so I take good care of my 3 beautiful daughters and 1 apo, and of course I'm planting plants, trees in my resort, and many more as a woman, as a mom, as a wife.
Any beauty pageant queens you look up to?
Amy. Sino ba direct?
Mga issue person na Catriona, mga winner ng ano.
Actually, all of them naman are all beautiful and empowered women. So for me, kung ano yung best para sa kanila, syempre best na rin sila para sa akin. So wala akong mapili because they are all good and parang they are very well versed to their expertise. So I cannot choose one. They are all good for me.
Mm-hmm.